We'll guide you through how to move from Anytype to Obsidian. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the Anytype application to open it before starting the export process. After the application opens, go to the left sidebar and open the Guide Hub channel as an example. In this demonstration, there is only one file, titled How to Move from Anytype to Obsidian. That will be moved from Anytype to Obsidian. Click the drop-down icon on the right side of the Guide Hub channel. Then select the Channel Settings menu to continue the export process. Then select Export to continue. Choose Markdown as the export format because it is fully supported by Obsidian. You can adjust the other export settings if needed, but in this example no additional options are enabled. Click the Export Data button to continue. Select the destination folder where you want to save the exported files, then click the Export button again to complete the export process. After the export finishes, return to the window where you will access Obsidian. Double-click the Obsidian application to open it. On the Welcome page, click Import to access the available import information and options. Scroll down the page until you find the Markdown Files option, then click it to continue. You will see information explaining that Obsidian uses Markdown with the .md file extension as the primary format for storing notes. One of the easiest ways to import your exported notes is by dragging and dropping the Markdown files directly into Obsidian. Open File Manager, then make sure the exported Markdown files are selected before continuing. Drag and drop the selected files into the sample folder as an example. The Markdown files will be transferred successfully into your Obsidian vault. Click the imported files to confirm that the contents are the same as the originals in Anytype.